Hey, Callie. So what are we going to do today?
Get her eyes and her lips.
You're going to do your sister eyes and lips today. So you're going to do work on her makeup, right? So what color are you going to do today?
Pink again.
Pink?
Again.
Again. You always love pink, don't you?
Oh,
So you're going to have her eyes what?
pink.
Pink? And they're going to be what?
That be like
They're going to be what, Kat?
um.
What'd you tell me? Her eyes and lips are going to be what?
Popping.
Popping. All right, let's see if they're going to pop, girl. Let's get to it.
Look, I want this. I want Carrie. Carrie, don't do that. You don't do that all over.
All right, get the ones you... Close your... Ooh.
I'm
Keep
my
'em.
dad.
You going to show your dad that? You going to show him what? You going to show your daddy what?
Carrie makeup.
Carrie makeup.
Yeah.
Ooh, girl, I see the popping over here.
That was pretty.
Yeah, that is pretty. Sissy gonna be looking pretty, ain't she? Yes.
Get Carrie.
Ooh, girl, yes. You going with that dramatic look, ain't you? Huh? One is wet and one is dry. Ooh, she rough, ain't she? Ooh, sis, she rough. Ooh, you're rough.
I got this.
Good, go on. You can finish. Y'all see that? Ooh. She got it up there. She got to wipe it off. Off her head. What's your next color? That's pink. Ooh, y'all. Turn around, Carrie. Let me see what you got so far. Okay. I see you.
I don't do the other eye. Just
You can.
oh.
You're gonna do the other eye now. Look, she gotta wipe off the brush and then get the new color, huh?
I'm like, oh, Tata. You don't want no more? Okay.
She do want some more. I think she got 2 colors she wanted.
Carrie. Put the eye makeup?
Yeah, finish putting your eye makeup on.
Yes.
Yeah, so they're gonna be popping. Whatever color she wanted. Carrie, what color did you want?
Not this one.
Not that one. Which color?
Yellow?
Yellow. Okay. She getting yellow this time. When you get done doing that, Cat, I gotta see your lips because I forgot to mention that you made your lips pop before you got it done. She wanted yellow.
She want yellow this time?
Yeah, she want yellow on that eye. Let me see your lips. Are your lips popping? Oh, yes, honey. Yes, she did her own lips, you guys.
This like orange.
That's orange.
Yeah.
What look like orange? Your lips or her eyes?
Her lips.
Her lip. Huh?
Her lips.
Your lips.
No, can't do.
Turn around, Carrie. Okay. Let me see. Turn around this way.
You don't want no more, Carrie?
Okay.
I want Mama. Huh? I want Mama. Not this one? Wow. No. Wait. Carrie, I'm not gonna put it up yet.
So what you doing now? What you doing now? Carrie? Cat?
Just let her be.
Yeah, just let her be. Move on. Let's do the lips. So now, Carrie, what you doing? She already did your eyes, so let me see.
What is it?
Cat, what are you going to do next?
What is this one?
I don't know. You get to do her lips. So we're doing lips, right? What color are you doing, Carrie? Cat?
Pink.
Pink. And you have her lips doing what?
Popping.
They popping.
Can't rub it in. You supposed to rub it in.
Ooh. Rub it in to get the full
That.
effect. Now she wants to see it in the mirror. Now show her what the finished product look like.
Okay.
And then I'll show everybody else. What you think?
Thank you.
You said thank you. You like it? Let me see. Let's see. Ooh, girl.
Take here and put it back.
Let's see. Let's see those eyes, Carrie. You do. It look like orange over here. Carrie, put the mirror down and let's see your eyes, your face. Oh, pink. Then look, you had yellow, but it looked like orange. And then your lips.
Orange.
Pink lips. Girl, let me see. Do what?
And that lipstick off in the makeup.
Yes. So are you popping? Do you agree that your sister made you pop today?
Carrie.
Huh?
Carrie,
Yeah, slow down.
Carrie, smell. Smell.
Smile, she said. Smile.
Oh. Carrie, you are pretty. Rub it in.
Sissy said you look pretty.
Rub it.
Ooh. Sissy did that. Stand up and let me see so I can take a picture. Girl, right here.